Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where Word user does not have access privileges in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to open Word as an administrator. Search for Word in the Windows search bar, right click on it and select Run as Administrator, and it will open as an administrator. Next one is to disable UAC. I'll tell you why, but first I'll tell you how. Search for UAC in the Windows search bar and click on Change User Account Control Settings. Pull it to the absolute lowest level, click on OK and give it privileges. Now you won't even need that administrator access. So disabling UAC means that you have disabled the need for a privileged access on your system. This will definitely solve the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.